this $26 product is quietly making resellers $2,000 a month. And no, it's not a phone or any drop shipping nonsense. Now, let me show you what it is and exactly how to flip it. But just before I do that, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Hustlertaughtme. And of course, click that link in the bio to join the free Hustler community. Now, this reselling community is a free community. I'm not charging anybody to get into this community. It is a brotherhood. I go live and I share tips and tricks that I don't get to share on YouTube or any of my social media. Now, on my Instagram and TikTok, I show daily profits and different progression and tips and tricks on there as well. But the community is something different. I'm showing you guys different tips, and also I'm answering your questions and being able to have more intimate conversations with you guys about my process, my struggles, and also my successes, while also helping you guys build too. And of course, I want you guys to grow because I want to build a partnership and of course the brotherhood with you guys to be able to start reselling the right way without having to deal with any of the fluff, right? Because a lot of people nowadays are lying and trying to act like they are living a life they're not, but all we do is hustle and grind, and trust me, it works all out. And then now, what is the product? The product is going to be, of course, the AirPod Max clones. Now, understand, I'm not showing you guys the Gen 2, not because they don't sell, but this actually is bringing a lot of money in and also avoiding people from having to deal with account bans. That is why I like this product. Now, if you look at the box, you can already see that this box is going to be something that is showing you that infamous product, the AirPod Max, right? But the beautiful thing is it doesn't have any logos on this box. And if you open the box, it literally just has the headphones. Now, I already unpackaged the headphones because I didn't want all of the crinkling from the plastic, right? As you guys can see, I took it out the plastic, but it comes with plastic, and then this is exactly how it comes out, right? Now, these are the Maxes, and it has the nice little casing, but the beautiful thing about these is that these are not going to scare customers away with low quality because it has the same feel, really good quality, and also great sound, and it gives the same experience, whether it is from the case or just the sound of the headphones. Even the buttons, if you look at the buttons, you still got the regular little home crown, and you also have the button right here. You also have the mic right there. So it is something that gives customers the great feel without having to pay that high price. Now, when it comes to the high price, that is sort of kind of where you should fall in love with this product because it is not expensive, but it definitely looks it. And it definitely will give customers a really good feel and experience because, again, it does connect to your iPhone just like the regular Maxes, but it doesn't have any logos, so we're able to list this on platforms without having any flags or bans or any issues. Now, let's talk about pricing. Now, you want to flip these from anywhere between $60 to $120. Now, it depends. Now, I'm really realistic, and I tell you guys exactly what people experience, and and that's what I want to say. I really want to give myself, I'm very in tune with the people that buy from me, their process. Because while I am building a community, I'm building a community not just so that we can talk, but so I can actually help. So I understand people's pain points, and also I see where people are succeeding and failing. A lot of people, they want to get these and just start selling them for $200. Don't sell these for $200, of course, because these are not Maxes. These are clones. It's a difference, right? But not even just that, you want to start by getting good reviews. So what I do is I would list these at $60 first, okay? Now remind you, you're paying $26 if you get 12 of these. These are a wholesale price, $26, right? Now, when you go to the website, wesply.com, you're going to see that these are $75 if you just get one. That's how much I charge for people to buy this in my store. You don't have to pay $75. You just have to pick a quantity that you want to buy. Now, if you want to buy one, of course, it's $75. If you want to buy 12 or 6, that's when you get the discounts, okay? Now, a beautiful thing about these headphones is that you are able to sell these for $80, $60, even $120, but you don't want to just jump out the gate doing it. And I'm trying to really harp and show you that the reason you don't is because it's not about the profit in the beginning. It's really about being able to solidify the listing as reliable. Once you do that and then you go ahead and promote, the listing becomes reliable itself and sells itself, so you don't have to do it. So ultimately you're going to be making $50 to $80 per unit, which is a great profit. And this is something that you'll be able to do on a consistent basis and then reorder and keep going. And it's something I don't see slowing down at all. We've been selling these for around 4 months so far and haven't had any issues, and customers have just been buying them up. Now, the beautiful question a lot of people ask is, how many do I gotta do sell? How many? So a lot of people sell between 25 to 30 pairs a month. Now, that's not a lot because you have to understand people buy more than one. And we also have people that sell customer facing and they sell online. And this right here sells great customer facing because people are intrigued, especially the fact that it doesn't have the Apple logo. Now, I want to harp that we do not sell this as Apple or as AirPod Max clones. We sell these as over-the-air wireless headphones. These are just headphones. These are headphones that look like the ones that you're seeing on TV, but they're not that. These are just regular headphones that have great quality. And yeah, they do have some functionality just like the regular ones. But again, we do not list these as AirPods, okay? Make sure you guys don't use any trigger words, just over-the-air headphones. Now, when it comes to listing without getting flagged, I know I just told you guys about keywords, but let's take a deep dive, right? A lot of people want to know, oh, well, Brandon, if I sell this, my account might get banned. I don't want to risk it. Well, you can't risk it for a product that is not copywritten. Like, this product is generic. This is a general product. And also, in the bio, and I've shown you guys so many times on live, I literally say these are not AirPod Maxes. These are over-the-air wireless headphones. Now, I state that because when customers, which they will do once you start getting that buzz, is they'll start emailing you or messaging you asking you, hey, are these the real AirPod Maxes? And I'd say to them, hey, I would like for you to inspect what you expect in the bio because I want to make sure we're on the same page. I do not tell them no, I don't tell them yes, I just make sure they read the description. Why? Because if they ever do try to raise any type of case against us, we want eBay to know that we are directing them directly to the description because the item is as described. And it is important for us to make sure we're not including pictures that have any logos, and also making sure the item specific category doesn't have any keywords like Apple or AirPods or even anything of lightning, right? You just want to make it generic as a product, and you want to make it compatible for all the iPhones. And if you want to put your own brand, you can, but again, these are literally over-the-air wireless headphones. And if they say what type of connectivity in the item specific category, you can say type C or you can say USB-C. You can say whichever one you would like. But again, this is not going to get taken down. There's no way, because this does not have any Apple logo. Now, the only reason it would get taken down is if you've taken a picture that has an Apple sign or Apple logo on it and don't pay attention. Make sure you guys, of course, pay attention. Now, lastly, guys, where do you get these headphones? So these headphones right here are on wesply.com. You can get these right now for $26. One of the biggest pain points as a reseller is finding wholesale products that are reliable, good quality, and can also be delivered fast. I created a website, wesply.com, and this is my website. Now we're at the Max clones. You can get a bunch of different colors. We always have these in stock. Now, remind you, everything is in the United States of America, and everything is 2-day shipping when you select that option. Now you'll see you can get different bundles. If you just buy one, it's going to be the highest price because that is one being purchased. Now, these are the Hustler pods. You can get 6, you can get 6, 12, 4, you can get it 1, a whole bunch of different quantities, all right? And this is because I wanted you guys to be able to make your choice on what you are looking to actually get. The link is in the bio on all of my social media and below right here. Now, if you guys want these, definitely go ahead and get it. And of course, every time you guys get something that is from me, it comes with a call. I say this all the time. Don't ever hesitate to say, hey, B, I would like to have a call with you. I just ordered this, this, and this, and I will hop on the phone and give you a call. I don't have a problem hopping on the phone and giving you a call, because my main goal is for you to be happy so that you build a partnership with me, and I want to show you exactly how to make sure you are profiting. See, none of my products come without guarantees, and now while they don't come out with sales guarantees, they do come with guarantees that you have a force behind you helping you. And I think as a reseller, that's something that I wish I had, because I didn't have anybody to really be able to help me, right? And lastly, I want you guys to know that you can make more money selling these when you're selling in bundles. Prime example, we have an eBay automation client right now that is making over $2K a month, and they are bundling 2 of these AirPod Max clones. Okay, these right here, they're bundling 2 of these, right? And they're literally selling them for $150 each. Now, guys, they are putting out around $60 something and making $150, and they're milking the game. And you could be next. So what are you waiting for? That's the question, right, guys? So again, go ahead and check out the headphones. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I tend to make videos answering your comments. If you have any questions, don't ever hesitate. I'm friendly. I'm here, man. We here to network, bro. I'm here. I got your back like a bra strap. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.